Right, so here's a quick one, an immune boosting turmeric tea. So what I do is I get a tea bag, I make up some tea, about 2/3 of a cup of hot water, and I'm a bag squeezer. Unashamedly, I'm a bag squeezer. Use whatever tea you like. All it is there for is to give body to your turmeric tea. Okay, so we get rid of that. Then we take a good ½ teaspoon of turmeric, stir it in. I like to top mine up with milk. And if you're into sweeteners, use some honey, or you can use, the best one to use is raw honey if you can get your hands on it. This is a Spanish lavender honey. I have a little bit of that. I don't want too much. Let me get another spoon. I only like a little bit. I don't like much. I don't like things too sweet. And you've got to stir it anti-clockwise. That's the rules. That's the rules with tea. You know why? Because it unwinds you. So there we go. Immune boosting turmeric tea. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.